Hello, everyone. Welcome to my super tip series to boost your IELTS score. Today, I'm going to share with you another super useful and interesting tip to boost your IELTS writing score. The super tip is use of adverbs in your sentences. What is an adverb? Let's have a look at what is an adverb, look at some of its examples, and then we will give you a practical task to practice creating adverbs for your sentences. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. For example, he sings loudly. Loudly is an adverb. It describes sings. An adverb can also describe an adjective. Very tall. Tall is an adjective, and an adverb, very, is describing tall. An adverb can also describe another adverb. For example, and did too quickly. Quickly is an adverb, and too is describing that adverb. An adverb can even describe a whole sentence. For example, fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. I hope you get the idea of an adverb. Now, let's look at a very simple sentence and how we can create a rich sentence out of that simple sentence using adverb. So here is a plain sentence. He entered the room. Let's take another example. He was walking in the park. Now, think about how you're going to make these sentences rich with the use of adverbs. 1, 2, 3, done? All right, here is the done example. He entered the room quietly. He was walking in the park happily. I hope you get the idea. From simple sentences, you can make rich sentences by using adverbs. He entered the room, very plain sentence, very simple sentence, but by just adding quietly, it becomes a rich sentence. Why we are making rich sentences? Because examiner is going to assess your writing task based on the wide range of vocabulary, lexical resources. So if you use an adjective or an adverb in the sentence, your sentence will look rich, and the examiner will award you the marks associated with vocabulary. So now, a practical task for you. So here is your task. You have to make 4 sentences using adverbs. For the first task, you should create a sentence in which you should use adverb with a verb. In the second task, you should use adverb with an adjective. In the third task, you should use adverb with another adverb. And in the fourth task, you should use adverb in the beginning of a sentence. Share your work in the comments. I hope you liked our super tip of the day on IELTS writing, which is the use of adverbs in the sentences. So as you have seen, we can use these adverbs in a variety of ways with another adverb, with an adjective, with a verb, or in a complete sentence. Remember, what's the super tip? Use of adverbs in your sentences. Time to go now. See you with another super tip very soon. Bye-bye.